This is what it feels like to be in jail for 1700 days without even a trial. Umar Khalid now says he's no longer an optimist. He has written this in a letter from Delhi's Tihar jail. Booked under the draconian UAPA for alleged conspiracy during the Delhi riots, Umar Khalid has written about what it's like being in jail for a crime you've not even been proven guilty of. Umar said being in jail is like being in a graveyard of the living. He added that my lack of optimism is based on a realistic assessment of the present political situation in our country. Umar Khalid's bail hearings have been going on since 2021, and he said these hearings give him something to live by and something to hope about. But he said that nurturing hope in jail is also a risky business. The higher you hope, the higher is the height from which you come crashing down. And that's why he says he's afraid of hope. 5 years have passed, almost half a decade. Umar said that's time enough for people to complete their PhDs and look for jobs. Time enough to fall in love, marry and have a baby. Time enough for one's kids to grow beyond recognition. Time enough for the world to normalize the genocide in Gaza. Time enough for our parents to grow old and feeble. But Umar asks from jail, is it time enough for our release?